How to know that you are in the company of a Mahatma? How to know? How to recognize a good person? Even among friends, among your friends, whose company you have to cultivate further and whose company you have to give up. How to know? It all depends. If the Mahatma or the friend, if he is trying to mold you, he is trying to fit you into a mold, he is trying to create, push you, or he is trying to pull you into a cultish situation. He wants you to become part of a sectarian approach, a sect. Then you should give it up. Anything which is cultish or sectarian in nature, you should avoid. Right away you can avoid. They do not come under the category of sajjanā. They don't. And the Mahatma will never try to mold you. Molding is bondage. They try to mold you. Means what? So you have to become a member of that club, that Mahatma club, which is a sect. You have to become a member and have a locket. They will give you a locket. You have to pay money and become a member. They give you a locket and you wear it in the neck, like these company people put in the neck. Like that, these sect people also wear it in the neck. And then they dress in a particular way. All should wear white dress or yellow dress. Some dress is prescribed, like army uniform. Or sometimes the school children wear uniform. And school children are very proud to wear that uniform. You notice that? And in India, if a school doesn't make it a condition, the uniform, the school doesn't make it a condition, parents, they do not consider that school as a good school. They don't send their children. That's why these private schools, nowadays everything is private. First thing, uniform. And they sell the uniform. You should purchase those uniforms and wear them. And when the time comes to go to school, all these children wear those uniforms, boys and girls, and go to school. The parents feel very proud about them. You follow my orders? The religious people are no better. They want to wear a uniform of a given guru. They want to put a locket of a given guru in their neck. Or the guru distributes custom-made rudraksha malas, whatever malas, and they wear that mala, custom-made mala it is. Vaishnava sect people wear tulasi malas, custom-made. They don't touch the rudraksha. Whereas the Shaiva groups, they wear rudraksha, again custom-made. Therefore, that kind of a thing, if you notice, and then a mantra is given. All are given one mantra. And given a job, you have to chant this mantra so many times. And you have to volunteer sometimes and do volunteer work. So all that kind of, they put you into a mold. You got the point? Anybody who is putting you into a mold, you should keep away. Because Mahatmas, they don't mold you, they liberate you. So you should be able to see the distinction between molding and liberating. And you should go for the liberating people, not a molding people. You got it? So, all of this, you should be very cautious about all of this. You have to examine everything. If something makes you dependent, then you should avoid it. Something liberates you, makes you free. Dependence versus freedom, they are the opposites. So something is trying to make you dependent on some system or some guru, you should avoid it. Because you don't go to guru to become more dependent. We are already dependent in the samsara. Now we add one more dependence to the life. That is not the purpose of going to the guru. Therefore, if that is becoming a kind of a dependence, you should avoid it. You should always look for the freedom. The truth liberates. And it is the sectarian and fragmentary approach that binds. So this is how You have to recognize the good people among your friends. Within the family circle also many people you are aware of, and in that circle all are not sajjanas. Quite a few will be sajjanas. So you are conscious of the sajjanas and you cultivate their association. Among friends, recognize the good people, cultivate their friendship. Among gurus, you choose the right guru and cultivate association with that guru. This is the way, it is your responsibility to do that. You should have that maturity, that earnestness, seeking the truth and nothing else. You should seek the truth only and nothing else. Generally, the worldly people, particularly the rich and powerful, they don't seek the truth. They are seeking some kind of a crutch. Crutch is the right word, right? You depend upon it. They are seeking some psychological crutch to depend upon, because they are very insecure people, very unhappy and insecure. Therefore, they are looking for some guru who will help them to come out of that. The guru will pull them out of that unhappiness and that insecurity. That is how they are looking for. They are not looking for the truth and understanding and all that. So they get what they deserve. They get gurus. They do get gurus. So once I went to a person. He invited me 2, 3, 4 times, and he lives close to the airport. I told him, because he invited so many times, so I was obliged. I felt obligated. So I thought maybe I will give it a try. And instead of spending one extra day for the gentleman, I thought while going to the airport, the flight is midnight, so I will go for dinner and have dinner and move on. And I did that. Then I noticed he is not interested in seeking the truth. That is not his goal. He is given to a variety of superstitions. And he asked me, he and his wife both asked me, what is this? What is your opinion about this? I told you it is a superstition. You should give it up. So, therefore they understood that this Swami is not going to pander to their expectations. And therefore they were disappointed immediately. Even I was also disappointed from my side, because they don't have any enthusiasm for the truth, for understanding. They don't have any enthusiasm for that. They are looking for something else. Therefore I am disappointed with them, they are disappointed with me. So I had my dinner and stayed in that house till night 11:30. Then they organized a vehicle. I went to the airport. That is the end of it. Then after 6 months or 1 year, I noticed the gentleman courting another guru. The guru is not a healthy person. Physical health is not there. Because the guru is very heavy, obese. See, when the guru is obese, so you have to think, so should I go to this guru? Because it is not about the physical body, but the guru allows himself to become obese and allows himself to be continue obese, means there is something missing there. The food habits are no good, and the guru has no control over the food intake, etc. And the guru doesn't know anything about nutrition. He doesn't follow the good advice given by the physicians. That all those must be the reasons to remain obese continuously, year after year. But they remain like that. That is enough. That one single thing is enough to do namaskar and move out. Because everything begins with physical health. If the physical health itself is compromised, there cannot be proper psychological health. And therefore there cannot be any spiritual health also. They are all interrelated. There itself you can get the cue. Oh, this is not the right person to guide us. You should get the cue. Old age is one thing. Obesity and other illnesses, lifestyle diseases, they are one thing. They are different. Old age you can understand. But a lifestyle disease and obesity is one such thing, they are a bit difficult to understand. They betray the hollowness of the preaching. The preaching doesn't live up to what is being preached. There is something hollow and missing there. That is how you should be mature to recognize it. The point is not to condemn anybody. The point is to see whether a person is the good company for you. That is how you have to play this game very carefully and cultivate the friendship of good friends, also company of good people within the family circle also and outside the family, and also approach the right guru who can liberate you instead of bind you in some kind of a mold.